Hello viewers, hello viewers, welcome to my TechHill YouTube channel. Today I want to Adobe Photoshop tools. To know Adobe Photoshop tools, open the Adobe Photoshop software. Then you will get this type of interface to create or design photos. Uh, Press on file options, then create a new, or you also, if you want to open a photos from your local disk, just press on open. This will the default resolution or size, or if you want to create manually resolution or size, press on new. I want to open this, then I will get this your local disk. That's in left side you will get the toolbar. In upper side you will get the menu bar, then right side you will get the sub toolbar. So this is the move tool. You can also just to uh, this is move tool. You can move your design freely with this tool. Then on the right side you will get the selecting tool. You can also select this, then you can remove or select this text. Then you will get the laser tool, and this also a select tool. Then we will get auto selection tools or quick selection tools. You can select the object with automatically. This is you can this. Then you will get the crop tool. You can crop your photo with this tool. Then we will get the rectangle or size tool. Then we will get the scale tool. Then brush tool and pen tool, brush tool, scaling brush tool. Then eraser tool, pen tool, and text tool. You can write anything on your photos with this text tool. Then you also can change your background or stroke color. So that's it. Today is over, I think. To change your, just I want to select this area. Just select this and choose your color. Here's background color. Then you can also choose your stroke color. So this is crop tool. Just enter. Then that's it. and yeah, that's it. Then I am to create a new file, and you can also change text. This text take here, and to change this text design, just simple, or select this and change your text design. Yeah, I want to move this a new world to if I want to move this, just select move tool and I can freely move this text. I can also change the color of this text, just select and change the color. Sorry, object selection tool, and I want to change the color. That's good. So today is over, and next video I will show you how to create or edit a photo. If you helped with this video, like, comment and share this, and also subscribe my YouTube channel, and you will you will know about many technology related things. So viewers, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get a notification earlier. So thank you.